Hello, this is me, Samantha. Thank you to subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you guys for coming on. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for my 200 and some subscribers. I thank you guys. If this is your first time coming on seeing me, I hope that I answer a lot of questions or concerns that you have. Hit the like button or hit the subscribe button and get the notifications down there. I'm going to provide a lot of links for you. And before I do, I want to thank this person named Alicia from New York. I'm not going to give her her name. She contacted me. She's a paralegal, and she contacted me. And she gave me a lot of inspiration on what I was doing. And I want to thank her for that. That's real important to me right about now, especially since I had a little small setback. I did. And it wasn't a setback the way I thought I would take it, but I took it in stride. And I had to make some choices on it. Okay, so I'm just going to go and get into the deal. Last week, I found out that the United States Supreme Court would not hear my case. I made a strong presentation. I had some legal people help me look over it. I thought it was a major impact, but the Supreme Court takes less than 1% of their cases, and I was one less than the 1%. So I was sad about that. Was I sad because they didn't take it? Well, in so many parts, I was sad because I always wanted to go to the Supreme Court on a big major case, and this was one of them, and I didn't make it. Another thing that I knew that others was riding on this Supreme Court case and how it would affect them. And but after I sat down and thought about it, I'm still in a great position. I mean, right now, credit acceptance can no longer be on my credit. Equifax is not going to put them on there. That's for sure. TransUnion has barred them. Experian has barred them. And so I have to be at peace with things. So I'm at peace. But am I sort of in peace? I don't know. We're going to find out, okay? So anyway, I'm happy about that. That part I'm happy about. And for those of you who don't know, this has been a 6-year fight. It's not been a last year. It's not been 2 years. It's been 6 years. It started in 2015 when I found out that, I couldn't use the warranty. I had, purchased a warranty. I had a better vehicle. I only had to try once, but I wanted to know where the vehicle was. And I got to meet so many people involved in my case. Plain Sight, they are a independent research company. This man, he's just like me. He do research on so many things. I was able to meet so many people who came across who were victims. Could there have been a major class action? Yes, it was. But I had to have 50 people to be part of that, and I couldn't 150 people, and I sent 150 affidavits out, and I only got 7. So I've had a lot of setbacks, but at the same time, I can partially move forward with my credit and with my life. I still have Equifax, and what their lawyers did, that's still in court. Plus the escrow account, I still have that in federal court. So right now, one dropping off, I'm still okay. I'm still good. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about something. And that's where this lady named Alicia in New York came in, and I want to thank her. She reached out to me, and she talked to me, and she was telling me, encouraging me, about a lot of things. And I had already made my peace about a lot of things. So I was okay about that. I was okay. But then I got to thinking. That's one of my biggest poo-poo. I got to thinking. Put my computer back on so you can see me. I got to thinking, and what I started to think was, did they really get away? Did what about all, I get so many emails and phone calls and text messages about help me, help me, help me with credit acceptance. And a lot of you guys, you know, like I said, this has been 6 years. And I always tell you, you're going to pay somebody. Now, later on I found out through the source that a lot of attorney generals are suing credit acceptance. So you said, well, attorney generals, yeah. Attorney generals in different states. I did do the research, Alicia. I want you to know that. They are suing credit acceptance. In Massachusetts, I hope I'm not mispronouncing it. It's my southern stuff. It's a $27.8 million settlement for that state. A lot of other a lot of other states. New York is real big on suing credit acceptance. I think this will be about the third lawsuit regarding credit acceptance. But somebody like me from Tennessee that the state is suing on, I won't be able to get that money. I have to wait for my state. So let's do what, you know, if we can, let's do what they did to Equifax. Equifax is a class action, a major class action. It's in federal court. It involves 146 million people, you know. So I came up, and I'm going to share the link, with a petition. Let's petition the state, the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protection to go ahead like they did Equifax and sue credit acceptance. So how you say that? Well, we're going to get the government to do it, plus we can get FCC to do it, plus we get all three of those, and we can be in a better situation. I mean, some money may not help, but at least we'll be able to shut this company down for good. Because I went through Michigan. I didn't go through Tennessee. Maybe I should, but shoulda, coulda, woulda don't help me right now. And I thought that they would be fair, and Michigan is not. Because you got to realize people have jobs in Michigan, and they don't want credit acceptance to be going on. Half of credit acceptance lawsuits are in Michigan. So this is what you can do. I mean, you know, if you want to help yourself, you want to shut them down, you're tired of them, they taking you to court, they doing all these things, I'm going to provide a link for each and every one of you to sign a petition. Now I'm going to go briefly what the petition says, because I have it on my computer. It talks about the warranty. Even though you may not remember, over 99% of y'all have had a warranty attached to your auto loan. And the reason why you didn't know is because under the Mega-Samars Act, that's a federal law, they supposed to provide, anytime you get a loan, like if you notice, anytime you get a warranty on anything, they send you a packet. They send you something saying what it is, what they cover, what they don't cover. And if you do this voids it out. Credit acceptance did not do that. Because why? Because that warranty is from credit acceptance. They don't do that. So, you know, even if you're not, I'm going to be honest, even if you are paying your note and it's good and you ain't got no problems, they can't do anything to you. They won't really know who all the plaintiffs are. So what you do is just go ahead, if you can, just go ahead and put your name in there. Because I guarantee you, all this money they making profits are, like they said in another lawsuit from Attorney General, are from the fees and stuff. When they charge you late fees, when they charge you fees for this, for warranty fees, all of these fees, that comes from, that's how they're making a profit. They are RICOing, but it's in a civil matter. So you may want to do this. Another thing that they're not doing is that they're not applying payments, correct payments, adjustments, and all of that. Well, see, if they're not applying the right, if they're taking money for a warranty and they not covering, or maybe yet, they're you got to realize something. If the car breaks down, I'm gonna finish talking about the warranty. If the car breaks down and you gotta look at $700 repairs, or maybe $2,700 worth of repairs, and you got a $300 note, what you gonna do? Common people gonna want to pay for get the ride done, then and then the car note gets behind. Well, a lot of times, if you notice, they don't pick the car. They very seldom, people that I've talked to, very seldom have their car picked up while it's down. They wait till you fix it and then they repossess it. So that's another thing. And another thing is that, with all the stuff that they doing, they selling you pre-damaged cars. They charging you all these fees. What you end up doing is that, if it get repossessed, you're forced with one or two things: bankruptcy, negative credit, and or trying to get the car back, if you can get the car back. And what they don't tell you is that once you go into a default mode, they can charge you the 24% that they may be charging you. They can go up to 35%, because that's what the contract says, which has become a predator lender. Now, again, for all of you guys, I could, like I said, even though I didn't make it to the Supreme Court like I really wanted to, I'm at peace with this, because I got them off my credit. I got them off. That's it. I don't have to fool with them no more. And if they send me something, let's say they try to send me to court. Okay, statute of limitations is ended. Do they really want to go through this with me? Do they really want to go back through? I don't know. Maybe they stupid enough to do. I guarantee you, I got some stuff in my thing. I ain't gonna say it, but I'm not finna sit here. They ain't getting a dime from me. They days are trying to get anything from me. It's over. I don't have no judgment or nothing. But again, we can. How you gonna do it? You can sit and email me. I can tell you everything what to do. And, do you have the patience and the time consuming to do it? Most people don't. Or, let's sign this petition. Let's make it happen. Let's take it another notch. Let's make it happen. Let's make it where you can at least get some money back. Remove them off your credit. Break the lease, the contract. If you don't get nothing done, I'd rather have my credit. If you don't get no money back from all of this, let's say you don't. Well, but if we do it the way we do it, you will. But let's say you do it for whatever purpose. I'd rather have somebody off my credit and the contract broke than to sit here and try to, go after fame and fortune. No, you're not. But at least you will have a fresh start. At least they'll have to restore your credit. At least they won't be able to put them on your credit. Versus you have to figure out how they doing. Some of y'all credit is already messed up. But then for those who credit is just messed up, at least it give you something. You can take some money and go buy get you another car, get you a cash car or something. Something is better. There's more options with this petition. And you benefit from it this time. You benefit from it. You forcing, and then from there you're getting acknowledgement that this company, and I'm with Move On, which is a very political organization. That's the petition I did it with. And they are very, very active in civil rights and consumer rights. So now you have a chance. Because you can email me. I've had people email me, and then when I tell them, look, this is how long it may take, and this is how much money I'm going to be asking for, they don't want to do it because they can't afford it, or they don't want to do it because they feel like, well, I don't know you like that. Well, okay, well, that's fine. But at the end of the day, I accomplished my mission, a part of it. I got them off my credit. Now the question is, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? So I just wanted to let you know right now I'm doing, I have uh, my Equifax case. I have that. To me, that's going pretty well. And, I have another case. So, but like I said, it is what it is. It is what it is. You can sit there and you can say, oh, I need help. Please help me, help me, help me. Now's your chance to do it. You have a petition. I've I've had people that know they involved with credit acceptance, and then they know somebody, and come on, share this video, make it go viral, share this petition, make it go viral. It is also on my Facebook page. You can reach me on my Facebook page. It's viral. Make it go viral. If we can at least get over 1,000 people, or 500 or 1,000, we have a voice. And I know I got 260 some subscribers. That's right there. You share this video, you can make it go viral. You want your voice to be heard, this is the time to do it. And it's free. And it's free. I started the petition and it's free. If you don't know how to get it, then let me know. You can a lot of people contact me on my Facebook page. If you really want to fight, if you tired of them, you're trying to get a house, you're trying to, they harassing you, they calling you, they taking your car, they doing all of this. Come on. This is the time to fight. This is the time to really fight. So what you gonna do? Leave your thoughts and comments on this video. I'm gonna leave the link to the petition for you to sign. I thank you guys. I've had a roller coaster 6 years of my life, and now that part of my life, it can be the end. It depends on how many people do this petition. It can be the end for me, or it can be another chapter. But I'm gonna let you make a decision. How bad you want them off your credit. I wanted them bad enough. I fought them for 6 years. I feel like that man that was fighting that angel for that blessing, and he would have won had that angel not touched one of his limbs. That's how I feel right about now. I promise you, that's how I feel. And I thank you guys for the encouragement. I thank my family, my friends who encouraged me even when I got the bad news. And I'm happy about that. I'm real happy. I'm sure the lawyers are happy too. But anyway, I'm just happy. And I thank you guys. I thank you so much, okay? And thank you for watching my video. And thank you for all of those who have donated, because I'm going to say something. Calling me and emailing me and stuff. Support my channel. Support my channel. That I haven't really focused on that yet, but I want to support my channel. All the good information comes from me on how you can do that. How you know what, like I said, support my channel so that I can be able to help somebody save their credit. I can help somebody in some fight, whatever that they're going through. Support my channel. That's all I'm asking. Support my channel. If you call me and you want my help, okay, at least donate me something for my channel. Don't just assume that, you got some free stuff. It's a lot of calls I get from you guys. Y'all email me, y'all want to talk, y'all want to do. That's time. That's time. And I have a lot of stuff that I'm working on, and I'm working with other people, and they paid me to help them do certain things. So support my channel. I don't think that's not fair for me to ask that. Support my channel. Because when I was doing it, people tried to take advantage. When I was doing it just for my passion, which is my passion, people was taking advantage of me. Want to call me 8, 9, 10, 8, 9 times a day, and want to ask me certain questions. But then when I say, okay, if you can't give me this amount, give me $10. Send me 20. Don't just sit there and say, well, okay, I got this information. I'm going to move on. Because, see, eventually one day, if you're doing it, you're going to need me. Because lawyers are not taking on this case like they normally. So support my channel. And I thank you so much. My light went out on my computer. Anyway, support my channel. Thank you, guys. And if you have any questions or if you have any thoughts, email me.